today is 4th of July. I just got out of work. We are going to take a quick little rinse shower. We're gonna get dressed. Ethan said to wear something cute. These are the clothes I am thinking about wearing. Outfit is done. I'm all done. Also, glitter everywhere. But let me show you what it kind of looks like with the lights off. You can see the glitter on my hair, and maybe the glitter on my chest, glitter on my lips, glitter on my eyes. I feel like I'm gonna tell a scary story like this. Fireworks! Fireworks! Fireworks!
Are you videoing me being fucking mansplaining that shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We at the fireworks.
Yeah, shit.
You really?
No, I'm just wondering your video again.
Oh.